This is an average boat. It's approximately 100 millimeters tall, physically 50 centimeters deep. There's a variety of different sizes and shapes. This one's closer to 125. And they project out of the wall. They screw into the wall by this anchor bolt. Usually only want to screw about 3/4 of an inch, maybe 10 or 12 centimeters or millimeters into a molly in the wall. If you want to anchor them more securely, you can use an epoxy in the anchor also. And there's a variety of sizes and shapes. There's some really interesting shapes that are long and narrow. Some that have writing on them. This one I think says part of Hawaii on it. Oh, this one says Hawaii on it. Some are from scalped bowls to begin with, so they have this very cool look to them. These were from a type of nut bowl